Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share our Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Pītiti, Te Āporo, me Te Parakipere. There are two kupu hou. The first is tarahai, and it means to quarrel or bicker. Kua roa rātou e tarahai ana. They have been quarrelling for a while. Our second kupu is hoi hoi, and it means to be loud. E hoi hoi ana tō reo I tata nei. You're quite loud this morning. Ka are mai ngā taringa, listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Ka hāna nā hoki te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te Pītiti, Te Āporo, me Te Parakipere, nā Aesop. Ka pupū ake te tautohe I waenga I a Pītiti me Āporo, mō te reka ake o ngā hua e rua. He hoi hoi rawa no tā rāua kome, ka rongo a Parakipere I a rāua no te rā atu Pātiti. Eki, te kōrero a Parakipere. Me tana whakapai, he reka hoki ia. He hoa tātou katoa, he reka hoki. Ana, kei tarahai tātou kia tātou anō. Ko te kiko te kōrero, me mōhio kia koe anō. The Peach, the Apple and the Blackberry by Aesop. A dispute arose once between a peach and an apple as to which was the fairer fruit of the two. They were so loud in their wrangling that a blackberry from the next hedge overheard them. "Come," said the blackberry, who thought herself quite fine also. "We are all friends and all fair. Pray let us have no quarrels among ourselves." The moral being, know thyself. Tēnā rā koe I tāu whakarongo mai ki whakamiere. Thank you so much for listening to Whakamiere. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to, it would be amazing if you could take just a few minutes to rate and review us on your favourite podcast app. It makes a massive difference in helping us to be discovered by new listeners. If you'd like to show your tautoko in another way, we have a Patreon page. For just $6 a month, you get early access to every episode of Whakamiere, PDFs of every Paki Poto, access to a supportive Reo Māori community, limited edition merchandise, as well as complete access to the back catalogue of content, which is now more than 100 posts. Better yet, if you're a kaimahi in Kura, Kohanga Reo, Puna Reo or schools in Aotearoa, we're giving you free access. Simply email whakamiere@gmail.com from your staff email address and we'll send you a free Patreon link. A massive mihi goes out to our Patreon supporters without whom this podcast couldn't be ad-free. If you have friends in whānau who might like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. You can also follow us on Instagram. If you'd like to get in touch with us about the podcast, you can email us or send us a message on Instagram. Ko taurapa e mihi nui ana, hei a kua nei e hoa mā.